Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to screenshot a website URL in Power Automate. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Power Automate credentials. This will give you access to your dashboard where you can create and manage all your automated workflows. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several options. Click on Create to start building a new flow. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow allows you to trigger automations manually whenever you need them. Next, click on Manually Trigger a Flow, and then click the Create button to proceed. This sets up the foundation for your screenshot automation. Now you'll see your flow canvas. Click the plus icon to add a new action to your workflow. In the search field that appears, type Cloudmersive. This is the service we'll use to capture website screenshots. Scroll down through the results until you find Cloudmersive Document Conversion and click See More. This expands all the available actions within this connector, giving you access to various document and image conversion tools. Continue scrolling down through the available actions until you locate Take Screenshot for URL and click on it. This specific action is designed to capture screenshots of any website you specify, making it perfect for documentation, monitoring, or archiving web pages. Once the action is added, click on Advanced Parameters. This reveals additional customization options for your screenshot. Go ahead and click all the checkboxes to enable every available parameter. This gives you full control over how your screenshot will be captured. In the first field, you can input an extra loading wait time. This is useful if the website takes longer to fully load, ensuring you capture the complete page rather than a partially loaded version. In the second field, you can specify the height of the screenshot in pixels. The third field allows you to input the width of the screenshot. Keep in mind that these three fields are completely optional. If you leave them empty, the system will use default values that work well for most websites. Now comes the essential part. In the URL field, enter the website address you want to screenshot. Make sure to include the full URL with http:// or https:// at the beginning for it to work properly. Next, click the plus icon again to add another action. In the search field, type Create a File and click on it when it appears. This action will save your screenshot to a location you specify. In the folder path field, input where you want to store your screenshot. Then in the file name field, give your screenshot a name such as screenshot.jpg. This helps you identify the file later. Now click on the thunder icon in the file content field. This opens a dynamic content menu. From this menu, click Output Content. This connects the screenshot generated by Cloudmersive directly to your file, ensuring the image is properly saved. And that's it. Your automation is now fully configured and ready to run. You've successfully set up a Power Automate flow that can capture screenshots of any website URL you specify and save them to your desired location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.